Did Neanderthals invent language? Did Neanderthals invent language? It's a big question and one that scientists are still working to answer. While we may never know for sure what Neanderthals sounded like, growing evidence suggests they had some form of spoken communication. For a long time, researchers assumed Neanderthals were incapable of complex speech. They were often portrayed as grunting, non-verbal beings. But this view is outdated. Today, many scientists believe Neanderthals could talk, maybe not exactly like us, but far beyond simple sounds. The first clue comes from anatomy. Neanderthals had a hyoid bone just like modern humans. This small, horseshoe-shaped bone sits in the throat and supports the muscles used for speech. In Neanderthals, the hyoid is nearly identical to ours, suggesting they had the physical ability to produce a wide range of sounds. But speech requires more than just anatomy. It also needs brain power. Neanderthals had large brains, roughly the same size as ours. Certain areas of the brain associated with language in modern humans were likely present in Neanderthals as well, based on the shape of their skulls and brain cavities. There's also genetic evidence. Neanderthals shared a version of the FOXP2 gene known to be involved in language development in humans. Mutations in this gene in modern people can lead to serious language and speech disorders. The fact that Neanderthals had the same version suggests they had at least some capacity for speech. Even their behavior hints at language use. Neanderthals worked together to hunt large animals, cared for the sick, made tools, and possibly even created symbolic art. These complex tasks likely required some kind of communication, especially in group settings. Did they have full language with grammar, structure, and vocabulary like we do? That's harder to say. Language doesn't fossilize, so we can't know exactly how they spoke. It's possible they used a simpler form of language, more limited in structure but still effective. It's also likely that language didn't suddenly appear in one group. Instead, it probably developed gradually over time, with both Neanderthals and modern humans evolving different versions. If anything, Neanderthals may have helped shape the early development of human language through interaction and interbreeding. So, did Neanderthals invent language? Maybe not in the way we use it today, but they almost certainly had the ability to speak, share ideas, and connect with each other through sound. And that changes everything we thought we knew about them.